you did something to a guy. The guy said, Kasha, you touched my nipple. And I said, stop. Do I know if you wanted to do it again or not? You were still holding the spatula. When I said stop, and I saw you had a good ego, I was even joking. It was when you said, and you take everything. Say, that was in my head. Are you serious? The guy just said, you're touching my nipple, and you're telling me your husband that I'm taking everything. Are you serious? Are you really serious? In a place where the world is watching you, are you serious? And you're even angry with me. You walked out. For real?
I just told you that I didn't talk with you.
How am I supposed to know? See, be reasonable. Listen to me, madam. You're a wife. You're a lady. Listen to me when I talk. Whether you touched his nipple or not, that's not the contest. The guy said, Kasha, you're touching my nipple. Do you care? I am not saying you touched his nipple. I am not saying you touched his nipple. He said, Kasha, you're touching my nipple. Do you listen to somebody when someone talks, or you just listen to respond? He said, Kasha, you touch my nipple. That was what he said. If you play with somebody, doesn't mean you cannot draw a line. Don't you play with Anita? Don't you play with some other girls?
Because that's how I play with him. I play rough with him as well.
Okay, it's normal that you play rough with him.
It's not just him. I play rough with lots of guys, not just guys, some people in the house.
Just hope now you don't use your emotions to spoil anything for us. Yeah.
And I stand by what I've said.
Okay, no problem. Maybe I'll start telling you that, oh, you shouldn't react like that. And I tell you about if it's me, I won't react like this. I mean, I'll start controlling. I was telling you that your reaction is over excessive.
I'm not controlling how you.
Because when you reacted, how you reacted in sitting down, I never mentioned, oh, your reaction is over. All I asked was, okay, cool. Moving forward, how do we stop this from preventing? I never spoke about, oh, well, this is because I fucking felt it was I thought it was unnecessary. I thought so many different things, but I didn't fucking come and tell you.
But you said so. You said so.
No, I didn't.
You said.
What did I say?
You said when I told you, like you think. So I shouldn't talk to you about it again, or you think I shouldn't say anything about you again?
I said, how are we moving forward? Are you saying?
Because my.
Should I go?
No, because my reaction when I was speaking to you, when I was on your thighs, were not excessive. I spoke to you calmly.